In today's video, I'll teach you how to cancel CamScanner subscription. So first of all, what you have to do is simply open the app from where you purchase the subscription. Normally in the Android devices, you use Google Play Store in order to do so. So what you have to do is open the Play Store. You can see over here Google Play Store has been opened. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. After you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is scroll down. At third, you'll be able to find this option for payments and subscriptions. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option subscriptions that you can see at third. Now you'll be able to see all of your subscriptions over here. Simply find the option for CamScanner. Once you do that, tap on the option cancel and follow through the prompts in order to cancel the subscription. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you cancel CamScanner subscription. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.